manually done manually, which is.
The opposition parties in Meghalaya have come to an understanding to take a unified stand on issues and concerns to be raised in the ongoing budget session of the State Assembly. Leader of the opposition, Roni V. Lingdo, is even hopeful that this coming together of the three opposition parties, the Congress, VPP and TMC, might eventually may also lead towards cobbling an alliance. He informed that there are many questions to be taken, and since there is better coordination, the questions are clubbed together to save time and voice their issues.
Together we can voice our issues, grievances. Most of them were in Garhills, and Charles, it seems, was not in station, so they informed us, we are sorry, but then, take it that we are with you in this. But of course, fiscally, we cannot be present because, out of 5 MLAs, 4 are from Garhills. They're Garhills based, so they couldn't come. The House is, to voice our concerns, of the people. And this is a good thing, it's a good trend. Let's hope that we can all crystallize together and perhaps maybe even have an alliance sooner.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma